Hey all, welcome to ATOS SYNTEL Appium real interview questions for experience 3 to 7 years. Testing questions. First one is explain software testing life cycle. You need to explain the software testing life cycle clearly from the starting step to the last step. Second one is what steps you take on a before testing, during testing, after testing. So what kind of documentations you go through, what kind of test cases you go through, how you will write the test cases, how you execute the test cases, after finishing the test, how you report your bugs, how you make your documentation, how you are reporting, everything you need to explain here. Third one is what is your documentation style. This is like how you are reporting your bugs, how you are reporting your work, how you are getting your work, how the test cases are written. All those things you need to write, tell them. Fourth one is what is requirement traceability matrix. Automation testing. First one is what is a test case, how to make a test case for automation testing. Second one is can you write sample test case for Google homepage? I'll explain how do you do automation testing for this. So first question relates on the test cases. So how will we write the test cases for each scenario? How will we break the test cases? Like that we need to explain when the automation testing is needed for any test cases, when we can go for a direct manual approach. Like that you need to be careful and you need to answer that one. Third, second question is like you need to write a sample test case in Appium so for testing the Google homepage, and you need to explain the process to them. Appium questions. So first one is why Appium is best over other tools for testing mobile applications. There are a lot of reasons available. Please go through and tell the answers. Second one is how to do cross-platform using testing using Appium. So Appium has a internal server, and it has communicate with the client machines through the server, and it also can communicate with the Selenium also. So those things you need to explain. Third one is Appium architecture. So how the process is going on, how a Windows machine or Linux machine or a Mac OS machine makes a communication with the mobile applications you need to explain here. Fourth one is what are the components of Appium. Fifth one is explain me simply how you do mobile automation using Appium on Android and iOS devices. So you need to write examples for that. So this is the basic question on which they will know how strong you are in writing the mobile automation test cases using Android and iOS devices. Next one is what are emulators and simulators. Both were very important, uh, which will be relying on the testing purposes. Last one is create a sample testing code for login functionality for iOS and Android. So both for iOS and Android, for both the mobile applications, we need to write a testing login functionality. Basically, with the username and password, how you log in, how you give the inputs. Did you read from any CSV files or Excel files, like that you need to explain here. Python interview questions. First one is can you tell me the basic idea of a file sharing system using Python? So how file sharing is happen between two systems using the Python code we need to explain here. So this is basically like to know the depth of Python, how strong you are in that one. Second one is reverse testing, writing a program. So with inbuilt function and without inbuilt function we need to write here. And the third one is sort this array with inbuilt function, and without inbuilt function we need to write the sorting of array. Acha questions. So how interested your work with other automation tools, especially they are speaking about Selenium, Cucumber, Apache, JMeter, like that. And the second one is how you report your bug, report your cases, who writes your story, and explain your current project, explain the difficult phase of it. These are from your project knowledge. You can explain here to the HR team or project development team based on their questions. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Testing Labs A to Z. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.